Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from vehiclesuggest.com. So as the title says, Tesla over-the-air updates leaves drivers stuck in traffic for nearly an hour. So first off, I don't know if the person that writes this article, like, does he or she have a Tesla? You know what I mean? But we're going to read the article and then I'm going to give you my conclusions at the end, right? And a recent case in Taptes, France highlighted some of the risks associated with over-the-air software updates on a Tesla vehicle. In a seemingly shocking incident, a motorist was left stranded in his Tesla self-driving car for about 45 minutes while the vehicle received an update on the road on August 21st. So apparently this happened in France. So I don't know, because I do have a Tesla Model Y, and all of my updates, I don't get an update. It will have little icons, arrow pointing down, show me there's an update available, but it doesn't pops up until I get home and then park my vehicle and then it connect to my Wi-Fi network. That's and then when the notification pops up if I want to do the download and then after the load and then install. But at any given time, it tells you exactly that it may take longer depending on the Wi-Fi connection that you have with the vehicle. So the installation maybe take longer, but I don't know somehow this even true, but let's continue on. The situation not only left the driver stuck, but also caused a massive traffic jam that stretched to the Referral bridge. Around 100 passengers were forced to disembark from the buses at the Dolphin Pass. So it shows here pictures. I don't know how true that is, but the motorist had parked on one of Montreal province streets known as the Grande Rue Mario Roustan, right in front of the food joint called La Cabale Manger restaurant when the update began. So unless he connected to the Wi-Fi network at that restaurant, but maybe some of the information that's left out that we're not aware of. He attempted to move the vehicle once the installation started, but the car became non-functional during this update process. So again, just like iPhone. This is not something new, guys. So I don't know why these guys are even writing this article, right? So before you do any update, it tells you, even just like iPhones, your smart camera, anything updates. If they're in the process, if it's in the middle of the updates, how can you move? How can you use the phone, right? It appears that Tesla has a safety policy in place that prevents the vehicle from being driven during the updates. Oh yeah. However, this left the driver unable to move for nearly an hour, significantly worsening traffic in the area. So let's move on. Tesla updates protocol. Tesla over-the-air updates are designed to improve vehicle performance and add new features without requiring a trip to the service center, which is great, just like iPhones. However, these updates can sometimes take longer than expected, depending on your connection. Tesla states that drivers are alerted 2 minutes before the installation began, allowing them to park safely. Usually for me, I'm in California, so I can only speak from my experience. And when I park my vehicle, that's when I get the notification to begin. So I don't know if he's not even parked and how can it proceed. In this specific case, it's possible that the driver either didn't see the warning or ignored it, perhaps because they were unfamiliar with how Tesla vehicles function. Additionally, some Tesla users have mentioned that while they can drive during the download phase of an update and installation begins, the vehicle cannot be driven. That is correct. When it's installed, you cannot move the vehicle. Previous incident and user experiences. This isn't the first time such an issue has occurred. A few months earlier, another Tesla owner reported being stuck in their car for 40 minutes due to a software update. This incident raised questions about how well users understand Tesla update process. Apparently, they do not care. They just hit the button. While Tesla website clearly states that the vehicle must be parked for installations, the question remains, are all drivers thoroughly acquainted with these guidelines, or do some overlook them during their daily activities? Pretty much it. Tesla owners should plan updates for times when they know their vehicles won't need to be in motion, preferably at home or in a parking lot. This approach not only minimizes the chances of causing traffic jams, but also allows drivers to make full use of their vehicle without unnecessary interruptions. So, conclusions. The case in the Taptes demonstrates how integrating modern automobile engineering into everyday life can present challenges, while over-the-air updates provide numerous advantages, ensuring vehicles receive the latest features and improvements. They are also pose timing challenges for drivers. With the increasing popularity of electric vehicles, it's essential for drivers to become acquainted with these technologies to avoid disruptions and maximize the benefits they offer. I love the conclusion, but the title and everything else more like kind of like get you to it. Again, so it's just like from earlier, this is not something new, right? We love to have the updates because what's the point of using the phone or something and you get no updates, right? There's like the hackers out there, so Apple's updates all the times. Anything that there's bugs, there's glitches, they do the updates. Would you want to take your car to the service center for a little update? No. These drivers do not read the manual. They do not read the pops up, whatever that thing is, and they just did it, whatever, and then blame it on Tesla, right? So again, updates over there, it's great. I love it. For this article to put it like, it sounds really bad towards over there updates for Tesla, and they should be stopping it. No, any over there updates, it's great. Right now, we have it in our phones, we have it in our security cameras, we have it in our cars. So that's the way to go, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.